It's called Flavor Temptations, and it's going to be curried potatoes recipe pack.
My name is Amara, daughter of Tim.
Pleased to meet you. This is our first time doing something like this together, isn't it? This box has all the spices we need to make the potatoes taste like curried potatoes. Does that sound all right? All right, you sound excited? I sound excited. Now, luckily, the nice folks at Flavor Temptations gave us an instruction sheet. So, y'all see that? It was really sweet. It's the super sweetest little thing. We weigh out 1 pound of potatoes. Check. Chop the potatoes up. We read the recipe directions. Good. Okay, we gotta get the spice bags out of here. Okay, can you find the one that says mustard seeds? There's 5 different packets of spices. You know what's cool about this? We don't have to measure this because they're all just the right amount. Okay, sprinkle those in there. Nice job. Now the instructions tell us to sputter them.
I have no idea what that means, but it sounds cool.
Can I tell you something? I was worried you wouldn't be enthusiastic enough for this video.
But
You are very much enthusiastic. Spice number 2 is cumin seeds. All right, throw those in there. How nice. Cumin seeds. Smell. Oh, you gotta smell this. Now it says potatoes and turmeric.
What the?
Turmeric, right there, that bright orange one. I'm gonna put the potatoes in.
Turmeric!
All right, the turmeric is going in. Nice. Normally we'd sprinkle it all around, but this is gonna. That's okay. Spice number 4.
Coriander!
It's very subtle. All around. Nice job. Nice work. This is the 5th and final spice, cayenne.
And I'm holding my butt. That's why I'm talking like that.
Now, what we need here, just mix this together. We're going to have a timer of 5 to 6 minutes. I'll put it at 5. Okay, let's see if we can hold our breath for 5 or 6 minutes. All right, Amara. All right, settle down, camper. Look at this, huh? It looks crispy, but it also looks nice and chewable. Very excited about this.
Yeah.
Are we ready to sample just a little bit of this, Amara?
It's on!
It's on. My lady? All right, hang on. Flavor Temptations presents curried potatoes.
Curried potatoes!
All right, let's try one. You gonna try one?
Yeah, before.
Thank you so much for cooking with me.
The video's over. Goodbye forever.
Video's over. Goodbye forever.